right now. You are now tuned in. Pen crispy. I'm still going.
Alright, so first you guys, I'm going to start off with this NYX white eyeshadow base and put it all over my lid. And now I'm just going to tap it in so it can be very blended. For my transition shade, I'm going to start off with this brown, and it is called Chauffeur. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this purple and putting that on the outer corner. Alright, so the next color I'm going to be using is this pink shade. And if this pink is not too bright, then I'm going to go up to this one. Alright, so for my inner corner, I'm going to be using this yellow in my ColourPop palette, and this is called French Kiss. I'll use my finger. I use my finger on the other colors. That's why they're so vibrant now. Ooh. Alright, so now I'm going to use this concealer to create a little heart and my wing eyeliner. So now I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and this is called Bling, and I'm just going to fill in my liner. I'm trying to decide if I should do a heart on one eye or both eyes. I don't know. And I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did with my eyeliner. So my lashes are on, and as you can see, they're a lot less dramatic because I wanted my eye look to stand out more than my eyelashes. So that's why I'm going with. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight with this concealer, and this is in the shade beige. And I'm going to just put this down in the middle of my face. And then I'm going to highlight under my eye with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige. Alright, so now I'm going to contour with this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Toast. Alright, so now I'm going to bronze with this, what is this bronzer called? I can't even find the top. But it's called Sundance. Nude Truffle. I'm lining my lower lash line with this black eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to go into this darker pink right here and put it under my lash line. Alright, and the last thing I'm going to do is add these. Well, not the last, I still got to do highlights. But I'm going to add these like little gold hearts. Like underneath both eyes. I'm just going to take this glitter primer just to get on the stick. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is called Golden Flower Crown. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give this a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.